So guys, my name is Samuel Oyemi. Welcome to H-QTV. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your GoWagr KYC and how to make sure that after you verify to be able to withdraw your maybe whatever you wins or maybe your prediction game come true, maybe like that. Because if you're unable to verify your KYC, I think you are not going to be able to withdraw your deposits or maybe your short predictions. So let's go into the video right here. What you are going to do is you are going to see the three icons, that is menu. So if you click on the three dots menu, and it's going to take you to settings. Once you click on it, just go to provide and settings. So once you hit on provide and settings, hit on account settings. So once you hit on account settings, you are going to see verify identity. So just click on it. Please verify your identity. Choose a document. You can choose any of these documents, your NIN or your BVN, that is bank verification number. So anyone that is convenient for you or anyone that is maybe nearby to you can just make use of it. And I'm going to use my NIN. I'm going to pause this video for me to be able to type my NIN number. So I'm going to go ahead now and type it. So after that, we are going to resume back to this video. So that's my NIN, and you are going to go with proceed. So just click on proceed, and you are going to see while using the app, so allow gallery to take pictures and videos and record videos. Just choose on while using the app. So anytime you are using the app, it's going to take you to that place, and you can see that it's loading. It's already loading. So let's just wait a bit because I'm just recording the voice to this video. So this is voiceover to this video. Let's wait a bit, and it's going to load right now. Yes. So after this one, you are going to see, so these are the things that you have to follow on the screen. Make sure that you follow it, and you are going to see what it means. Make sure that you follow it for you to have a smooth verification. So one of the things right here is, please note the following. You must be in a well-light environment before getting started. Avoid the second one, avoid, you can just read it. So you have to choose your country of issued ID, and that is Nigeria, where you issued the NIN or BVN. That is what it means. And after that, just click on continue, and it's going to load. Please wait. You are going to see my government data. Government data is national identity number, identification number, NIN, the number is under it, and you have to verify with one of these, maybe SIM verification or WhatsApp messages, or take a survey, and you are going to go with the convenience one for you, and the convenience one is take a survey. So because I don't have my SIM card or my WhatsApp in this phone, so that is why I'm not going with that, and I have to go with the one that is comfortable for me, and that is take a survey. And I'm just going to, once you make sure that you hit on all these, click on continue button, and it's going to roll, as you can see now. So it's rolling, and you have to continue with that. Please don't mind my background voice. Allow permission. Please don't mind the background voice, I beg you, please, in the name of God, because I'm just outside to record this video. So you just have to read all these things. Camera permission required to ensure the security and integrity of your account. We request access to your device camera for identity verification through face recognition. Document scanning to confirm your credentials. Your privacy and security are top priority. All data capture is encrypted and will only be used for verification purposes. Just click on continue again. Please wait. You have to position yourself inside the camera. So this as you can see, this is a just recording voice. I'm just recording voice to this video. I've made this video, and with no voice when I'm recording it, I forgot to turn on the audio button, audio recording button with it. So this is my face in the camera. Just make sure that you first like how I'm going to put it, like put your head to the left, to the right, then position yourself at the center of the camera, tilt your head to the left and the right, then place your face in the circle and click capture. Then you are going to click capture. Though you don't have to talk, you don't have to do anything, you can see to the left and position yourself in inside the camera. Then you are going to do like that, then capture. So you are going to capture it and make sure that your background is very neat, you have a good lighting, there's no anyone between the photo. So after you take a capture, then click on continue. It's going to roll like that. Please note the following, just read it. Please take a moment to review the capture image to ensure it is clear. If the image is blurry or dark, you may retake the photo or pressing the designated button. If you are satisfied with the captured image, proceed to the next the next step to continue with the verification process. Once your photo is clean, just click on continue. So it's going to continue like this. It's going to continue like this. Your information is being processed, so let's wait while our information is being processed. So this is a good video for you to verify your GoWagr KYC. So verification successful. So our verification is successful. Now let's go back to home. So we are going to go back to home and click on the more, like the three menu icon, that is more button. Click on more button. Once you click on that, so let's just wait, click on the more button right now, then go to profile and settings. Once you hit on this, click on account and settings, go to verify identity. You are going to see verify your identity. Can see you have already been verified. That means that your KYC has successfully been verified. And go back home. So this is a video of how to verify your GoWagr identity. So after you verify your identity, now what next is for you to maybe to withdraw your money to your account, so I'm going to make another video on that. So this is just a step for you to fully verify your GoWagr identity. And if you want to watch my other video about GoWagr, how to sign up, how to make a short predictions, that is my first video about GoWagr. You can just go and watch it on YouTube. It's a recent video out there. And if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Samuel Aweyemi. I made a video about how to make money, trade crypto, about Web3. So that is what I made. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification. It's very important, so that YouTube is going to send you a notification when I post a video like this. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, make sure that you enjoy your day.